So my name is Liam Fox, the bar manager here at Soda and Swine Liberty Station, and my connection to Balboa Park is more or less living right next door to it. 2 blocks away ever since I moved down to the city of San Diego, and it's been a regular fixture in my life, whether it's going to Morley Field and having a picnic with my girlfriend, walking through the canyon to the zoo, or just enjoying the beauty that is the Prado. Inspiration for the cocktail, it's the syrup that I'm using is probably one of the big ones. So I was inspired by something that my girlfriend exposed me to after going to the international houses in Balboa Park. Really cool one that I think everyone should check out is the House of Iran. So the syrup that we're using is a Persian-inspired shrub, so to speak, but it's actually a syrup that they use in Iran for like refreshing beverages during the summer, called sakanjabin. So it's just a combination of sugar, vinegar, mint, and water, and it comes out tasting absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to be making my riff on the Balboa cocktail. It's called Cyrus in San Diego, inspired by the House of Iran and just Persia in general. So I just added 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. This is going to be that mint and vinegar syrup I told you about, another 3/4 of an ounce. Doing 2 dashes of cherry apple bitters from R&D Bitters. Gonna throw 1/2 ounce of akavit, which is a Nordic gin corollary. And then of course, the Henneberry whiskey. We'll throw in 1.5 ounces. Seal, shake. Strain into a chilled double old fashioned. Garnish. And there you go. Cyrus in San Diego. Cheers to local spirits, Balboa Park, and come check me out at Soda and Swine Liberty Station. Try one for yourself.